Hey, it's Lenny Gale with Life is No Yoke. Today I have 10 Vitamix recipes that can help you lose weight. We're gonna go quick, but I wanna say the best part about these recipes, they are gonna help you lose weight, but these are also things that will help you sustain your sexy bod. Number one, green smoothie. Specifically, we make Caroline's green smoothie, frozen mango, banana, orange, kale, and a little bit of almond milk. Caroline's green smoothie, the creamiest, the best. You cannot taste the greens. Number two, green juice. Another way to drink your greens. The difference between a juice and a smoothie is a juice is more liquid, smoothies are creamier. Green juice, we make a spicy green juice. It's fruit, greens, and seeds, and it has ginger and lemon to give it sort of a brightness and a kick. We have it always. They're always stocked in our fridge. Our baby drinks it. Baby size green juice, isn't that cute? Like, he's not trying to lose weight. Green juice, you don't need a Vitamix to make it. Number three, detox salad. Cauliflower, cabbage, carrots, kale with some seeds, little raisins, and it has an avocado dressing. It's amazing, and you can make it in batches. You can make it for the entire week. It's gonna fill you up, but not make you feel like you're full. Number four is nut butters, but specifically almond butter. You can grab and snack on, it's gonna fill you up, and almonds are amazing for losing weight. You can eat a couple spoonfuls as a snack. You can eat dozen spoonfuls like I do when I'm hungry. It's an advanced Vitamix recipe for sure. It takes some practice and a little bit of elbow grease, but homemade almond butter is so much better than store-bought almond butter, stuff that you would get at Costco. It's like impossibly creamy. They must remove some of the good stuff. Number five, cheese alternative. Everyone's trying to reduce their dairy consumption. Cheese is one of those things. You make it go away, you're gonna lose weight immediately. What do we do for cheese alternatives? We make queso. It's a nuts and red pepper cheese dip. It's cheeseless cheese dip with a kick. It's the best, we always have it. I don't know if I was in focus, was I out of focus? Another cheese alternative, broccoli cheese soup. Third cheese alternative, dairy-free cream cheese. So easy to make, slap it on a bagel, you're winning. Number five, nice cream. Frozen bananas and a little fruit, throw it in the Vitamix, use the tamper. You have creamy, delicious ice cream. Other types of, you can make sorbet. We've made a Wendy's style Frosty. Frozen desserts, you make a huge batch, have a little right away, and then pre-portion it. Such a good alternative to store-bought ice cream, and you don't have to give up dessert, but you're gonna have a healthy dessert. You're gonna feel good, satisfy that sweet tooth. Still on desserts, number six. We love to make our black bean brownies. No one will know there's black beans in them. Number seven, snack bites, like no-bake snack bite balls. Easy to make, easy to grab and go. Great, they're nuts and seeds. Snack bites. Oh, okay. Have you ever made cauliflower rice in your Vitamix? Have you ever riced cauliflower? Now that is like, so good. Such a good alternative to white rice. You still get that like sensation of eating rice. Rice the cauliflower in your Vitamix, boom. I think that cauliflower rice was number 9. Totally cool. So number 10, sauces. You can make your own sauces, and here's one that we love to make that makes vegetables amazing. Thai peanut sauce. So we use this Thai peanut sauce for spring rolls, zoodles, so like zucchini noodles. This sauce is like a magic sauce. Also one of those things that you can make every week. Thai peanut sauce it's so easy. It's like 4 ingredients. Those 10 recipes, you can make them in your Vitamix. They're gonna help you lose weight. If you're not already, definitely subscribe to our channel. If you appreciate this video, hit that thumbs up button, and we will see you in the next one. Our baby drinks it. Baby size green juice, isn't that cute? Like, he's not trying to lose weight, but he drinks green juice.